Okay, so we need to look at how to capture an image with fog on this movie. So first thing we'll do is we'll go log into our dashboard, and we will see that, make sure everything's working, but we need to list all of our hosts. Before we can capture an image, we need to capture a host, and we will do that. So see there's no host there. So eventually I'll create one, but the easy way to create one is to make sure you're net booting. I'll go ahead and net boot this image and start it and log into the console. And we will see that I will be able to, let's perform a quick registration and inventory. And that should add the image for, or I'm sorry, add the new host for us. Gathering information about our device, our machine, and then it reboots. Now, while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to say list all hosts now. You can see that it was registered. I can click on it. I can come over here and give it a new host name, whatever it is that I'm creating. And then it's going to ask us for an image. Now, when you first log into here, you won't actually have an image. So let me save this. We'll come back to it in just a moment. So I want to capture an image. So I'm going to come over to images, and I already have one image created, but I'm going to create a new image for us, and this I'll just call image 2. The image defines where we're going to store this and what image type it is. So I'll just say this is a Linux, and you can specify some different things about the image. Is it the whole disk? Is it just a partition? What is it? And you can specify that here. And then compression and some other things. So I'll say add, and it will create the image. Now if I go back to my hosts, and we say list all hosts, should be able to come into this host that we just created, and we'll specify the image that I'm going to save this to is image 2. We can save a bunch of that other stuff. I will say update. And now I will click on basic tasks. So I can either push down to that machine, that host, the image that I selected, or I can capture from that host the image that I selected. And so essentially as you hit capture and then instantly do this, then the next time we boot, we'll see what happens. And I might have to reset it. Let's reset it. Or reboot that machine that I was deploying to, and we'll see what it does. And it should automatically start cloning the hard drive. Now, this one might not do it because I haven't actually installed anything to this, but if I did have the hard drive on it, it would start cloning it. So anyway, that's what it would do.